you bored of coding in the same old versus code? Wanna try something aesthetic with colors, icons, and even animations? Then you have to watch this video till the end. First, let's change the theme to match your vibe. Click the gear icon in the bottom left. Go to Color Theme. And pick something cool like Dracula, Tokyo Night, or One Dark Pro. Want more? Just search for themes in the Extensions tab and install the one that fits your style. Next, let's upgrade those plain folder and file icons. Head to Extensions again and search for Material Icon theme. Install it. Then go back to the gear icon. Click File Icon Theme. And select Material Icons. It instantly gives your editor a colorful, modern look. Now let's add some animation. Search for Quack Track in Extensions. Install it, and once it's on, enjoy animated effects while you type. It makes coding way more fun. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've made your VS Code aesthetic and way more enjoyable. Theme, check. Icons, check. Animation, double check. If you liked this transformation, drop a like, share it with your coder friends, and tell me your favorite setup in the comments. See you in the next one.